Hi Gareth, and to whoever this may concern. Hey, just thought I would do a quick video as you asked, just to talk quickly a bit about you. I've known you since we first started working together in the mid-2000s when you came worked for me at Faber Mortsel, and a couple of things I really admired about you when I was spending time with you then were to do with your interest in looking at things from different angles. And not just taking a problem at face value and looking at exploring different ways of doing things. And the other thing I really admired was also your desire to get the best for communities and for people, as opposed to perhaps the best thing for yourself. And I think I saw that through the charity work that you did out in Africa and the time you dedicated to doing good things for people out there, and then also the way that you would invest your own time to get the best result for your team when you're working with me, and then ultimately for the people that we were doing work for. I think those are great characteristics, and I hope they stand you in good stead for the rest of your life. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
So I've been friends with Gareth for over 10 years. We originally were housemates, and then we've continued our friendship, which involves having a lot of fun, going on trips as a group of friends. So this year we've been skiing and canoeing, and Gareth is always a great ringleader, and is also actually getting everyone together and getting things moving, and he's also tons of fun. Gareth is one of my most loyal and dependable friends, and I trust him implicitly. He also is super knowledgeable about things going on, especially in the transport planning sector, but he's also very knowledgeable broadly with local issues. He's very involved in his local community, and charity work. He's very active as well, which I admire. So yeah, Gareth's a great friend and I know colleague to many people.
Hi, my name is Samir and I'm the founder of Cyclodio.com. I'm making this quick video to recommend Gareth for the project, for his application, because Gareth is a very hardworking person. We worked together on a couple of projects where we launched some cycling video maps in a couple of areas in the United Kingdom. And I have had the chance to experience the professionalism and the creativity of Gareth. So he's always interested in innovative things, and I'm pretty sure the project he's working on right now is going to be very interesting. So this is just a quick video to really wholeheartedly recommend Gareth for this project. Goodbye.
Hi, firstly apologies for the attire, but I'm currently on vacation. I've been asked to do this selfie for Gareth Watmore, who's one of my cousins. My name's Gordon Southgate. I'm also a chartered surveyor and work for a residential developer, Millbank Land. I've known Gareth all his life, absolutely top guy from day one. From a really early age, I could tell he's really, really ultra bright, got into loads of things, just get into the detail, just really inquisitive. Bundles of really good energy, which he's taken through to adulthood, and I'm so pleased to work with him on a professional capacity as well. He's absolutely passionate about drones, and pretty much puts that into all sides of his life. He just gets in, gives himself 110%. I've had the pleasure of instructing him at Millbank Land as well for some drone work and some town planning work, and I'm absolutely happy to take any calls from anyone. He's an absolutely top guy. I could go on all afternoon, but if you want to give me a call, my number 07481 863 279. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Anna Southgate and I am related to Gareth Watmore by my marriage to Gordon Southgate, his cousin. The first time I met Gareth, I was impressed with him. He is an absolute bundle of joy. He's completely honest. He is intelligent. He's really passionate about everything that he does. He's very thoughtful about the things that he does. I don't work with him, but I know my husband does, and everything that he does extremely well. I would have no hesitation in recommending Gareth.
Good afternoon, my name is Jake Green and I'm the marketing executive for bicycle company Quella. We make fixie bikes based out of Gloucester, but I am the social media guy, content creator, website guy, blog guy, anything visual you see for the company. Now, I had my own company creating social media content and creating video content for companies as big as Panasonic, G-Tech, and that's kind of where I met Gareth. Gareth was my drone guy, so we've worked together on a lot of projects, including £1 million houses to Oxford University, and he is always professional, a pleasure to work with. I mean, it's not every day that your day to work is a trip to Oxford ending on the river at a pub, you know, and that's the kind of working experience Gareth passes on. Fantastic drone flyer. I mean, some of the footage me and him have collected took up the majority of my showreel that year. So there's not really much else. I mean, there's loads of things, but I'm trying to keep this short and snappy. So if you have any questions about Gareth, I'm sure he can provide you with my contact details. Thanks for watching. Bye.